Hello, class. I'm Dr. Quasar, your guide through the wonders of the universe. On today's bite-sized universe, we dive into the secrets and out-of-this-world discovery that's practically our cosmic neighbor. Buckle up, Stargazers! Here's the gist of it. Just 22 light-years away, in the embrace of a small red dwarf, scientists have unveiled a tiny world that's giving our Earth a run for its money. Say hello to LTT 1445AC, the closest known Earth-sized world to our solar system. Now, this celestial buddy is about 1.4 times the mass and 1.1 times the radius of Earth, and while it's a bit too toasty for life as we know it, its resemblance to our homeworld makes it an Earth analog. Think of it as our cosmic sibling. The story begins with the TESS exoplanet hunting telescope in 2021, spotting this intriguing exoplanet. But, alas, there were some galactic hurdles in observing it, leaving astronomers in suspense about its true nature. Here's where it gets interesting. The home star of LTT 1445AC doesn't dance solo. It's part of a stellar trio, gravitationally bound in a trinary system. 3 stars in a cosmic tango. Imagine that. Now, how do we study such a petite planet in the vastness of space and in such a strange neighborhood? Enter the go-to tools in the arsenal of all cosmic detectives: transit data and radial velocity data. Transit data helps us understand the radius of the exoplanet, thanks to the tiny dips in starlight when it orbits its host star. Radial velocity data reveals the exoplanet's mass by detecting the subtle gravitational tugs on the star. But the plot thickens. The test transit data on LTT 1445AC was, unfortunately, poorly resolved. It's like reading a cosmic mystery novel with blurry pages. Scientists were unable to tell what's really happening there. It was clear that reinforcements were required to crack the case. To unveil the secrets, we needed the high-resolution magic of the Hubble Space Telescope. With the precision of Hubble's Wide Field Camera 3, astrophysicist Emily Pass of the Harvard and Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics and her team revealed the exoplanet's true nature. It appears that TESS was confused by some galactic red herrings thrown its way. Some of the dips in starlight were actually the result of the 3 stars interacting with each other. I told you that this stellar neighborhood was weird. Anyway, together, the radius and mass can be combined to tell us the density of the exoplanet, and from that, we can estimate of what the exoplanet is made of. Now we know LTT 1445AC, with a density of 5.9 grams per cubic centimeter, is a rocky world akin to our own Earth. Now, don't pack your bags just yet. LTT 1445AC is a bit toasty, with temperature of around 260 degrees Celsius, or 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Not exactly a cozy vacation spot. This discovery isn't just a space selfie. It's a key to understanding how Earth-like worlds evolve in various cosmic neighborhoods. The James Webb Space Telescope is gearing up to join the orbital tag team with TESS and Hubble, bringing even more insights. But that's a tale for another time. If you enjoyed this brief glimpse into the mysteries of the universe, hit that like button and subscribe for a boost in attendance in our bite-sized lectures. Keep looking up, Stargazers. Stay curious, and may your journey through the universe be filled with wonder. This is Dr. Quasar, signing off.